Good morning! Today we're going to Boracay. Me and Adika are taking a little trip in a few hours. Well, actually we're boarding in 30 minutes and then we're gonna head off to Boracay and spend 4 days there at the beach and see how it goes. So we'll see. In this video, we're gonna take you along with us to our first day in Boracay and of course a tour of Fairway and Blue Water Boracay Resort. Parating din! Mas mabilis pa makarating dito kesa sa bahay hanggang airport. Traffic pa kami sa EDSA. Ang lamig sa loob. We decided to arrange a private transportation from the airport all the way to the resort that we're staying at. So they also arrange our jetty port terminal boat ride and then the transfer to the hotel all the way. But if you want, you can easily get a tricycle between 50 to 100 pesos from the airport to the jetty port, which is not very far. And then from the jetty port, you buy your boat ride ticket and then you pay all the fees that's involved with it. And then once you get off the boat, then you take another tricycle towards your hotel or resort. Kaya ko, sige na. Maalon! Buti na lang naglagay ko ng patch, maalon. Diyos me. Uy! Hawak pa yung camera. Maalon na. Once we arrived to the port on Boracay Island, we were whisked away into a private van and down we go on the main street of Boracay. So we're going to Station 1, further out at Station 1, and Boracay has 3 stations, Station 1, 2, and 3. 2 is the most party part of Boracay. A lot of things going on there. 1 is a little quieter, so was 3. But there's a lot of restaurants all along the shore of Boracay Beach. And here we are in our resort as we pulling in. This is Fairway Blue Water Boracay Resort. Salamat, kuya. Yan na. Yan natin to. Pasok na. Our mandatory room tour. Ganda naman, Anika. A nice shower.
And then ma'am, this is your extra key card po ma'am. Just present or sabihin na lang po natin yung room number natin tomorrow pag mag-breakfast po tayo. Ganun din po sa 4 na swimming pool tsaka sa isang beach natin ma'am, free towels naman po tayo.
Sige.
Ma'am, pag may question lang po tayo regarding sa rooms ma'am, don't hesitate to call the front. Just dial 0 or approach na po natin si front sa baba pag may question po.
Sige.
Okay po, just stay po. Ay ma'am, maraming salamat po ma'am.
Ito ba? Oo. Ganda naman, no?
Oo. Dami na sinasabi. Ang bilis-bilis.
Tingin. Bago maano. Ayan. Oh. Daming closet. What am I facing? Wall? Closet? Ha? Wall? Hey! Tingnan ko nga. Ano bang refrigerator? Ay, wala. Walang laman. Walang minibar. But we have coffee bar. May water. Ay, tigi-isa tayong kama. Dapat pala nasama natin si Hana. Ang laki oh!
Ticket.
Ha? Oo nga. Yan oh, 2 bedroom. Ano pa ha? Queen size pa. Oh? Oo, malinis. Well, the only thing is we don't have nice of a view. This is our view. The room is nice, but the view is, okay. So that's the front. Okay. Ganda naman ng room. Yeah. Big TV. The only thing I don't like here is it seems like, huh? They claim this is station 1, but it seems like we're gonna need to ride something. You know, we have to avail the shuttle of the hotel to go really to station 1, you know. Anyway, all right, well, this is it. This is us for what?
4 nights.
4 nights. 4 nights. This is us. Safe too. Okay. At least it's clean. Yeah. Ganda naman ang bathroom. Can't complain. So now we're gonna go check out their dining facility. So we went here to the veranda, which is right next to the lobby and next to the Monterey Cafe. And this is surrounded by swimming pools, and there's a bar there, and of course it has a view of the golf course right in front of it, right there. And of course, like I said, they flock with pools. They don't have 1, not 2, but they have 5 swimming pools in this resort. Karaming pool. Ayan o, 5 pool. After lunch, we decided to take the shuttle and go to Paradise Cove Beach, which is also part of the hotel. And again, here you have big, pretty pool. Looks like an infinity pool. It has a little jacuzzi area. Ang ganda oh. Ha? Oo nga. Mahangin. Windy day. It's kind of chilly, if you ask me. So, the private beach for Fairway Blue Water Resort. Very breezy today, but otherwise it's nice. Oh, I forgot my sunglasses. Hala, you can walk over there, oh. Why you see people walking over there? Look, oh. Ano ba yun? Tricycle? Ano yun? A sumptuous breakfast is served at the Monterey Cafe, which is just off the lobby area. You can see they have a big grand buffet. Pretty much. It looks like it's a brunch more than anything. So delicious. Salamat po. Makikiusyoso lang kami. Have a good day, sir. Dito kami sa kudeta. Ay, ako bakit pangalan kudeta? But, unique ang name. So, let's see what's in store before we go down to station 1. We have a nice bar. We chill, no work and all play. Yeah, that's what I am right now. Morning. Ayaw malumpas. Ayan ang pool. Oo, yan ang jacuzzi. Baka mamayang gabi dyan tayo. Ang dami. Upuan. Ang dami nila. Baka bobe din na yaso lang pala. No? Ang dami nila. Here you have the Ventana Infinity Pool, and right below it is also they call the Gastro Pub, and at night this is well lit, and unfortunately I lost the video for the night video of this place, so sorry about that, but you just imagine this is really well lit, and then yeah, and then they serve all kinds of food here and drinks. This is the short version of our tour of the Fairway Blue Water Resort. And if you all like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Ayan, finally kumakain na yung anak mo. Anong tawag mo dito? Lunch merienda? Hoy, magtrabaho ka, PA.
Isang slice lang na pizza.
Isa lang. Hindi pwede buo.
Sige, makita mo yan. Sa kanya daw ito lahat.
Ay, ano? Ayan, mainggit ka, Edna. Seafood pizza.